What the deal, y'all? I know I need to start starting out my vlogs, but guess what? Today we on the Banshee. Feel me? I don't really post it much or nothing, but just got done rebuilding this, and let me get it out and you know, give y'all a walk around and tell y'all all about it. Just give me a second. As y'all can see, I don't even got no shirt or nothing on. Still got my slides on, but this the Banshee. Feel me? Just got it relatively, you know, not too long ago. It's a little dirty. I ain't cleaned her up yet or nothing. It's just a little dirty, but this is what I'm gonna bring out today. Gotta check your gas before you start your day. Good, great. Feel me? Yeah, this is the thing. I bought it like maybe 2 months ago. Had the motor out for like a month. Cleaned the motor all up. If I remember, I'll put some pictures up, show y'all. But just been kind of fiddling with it the last couple of days. Today's the first day I had it out for real. You know, I redid the whole motor myself. Ain't want to pay nobody or nothing like that, but pretty easy. But like I said, let me get ready, and I'm waiting for another person. We're gonna slide. We're gonna hit the city. Right now, as y'all can see, I got the thing. I only got 3.1 hours on there, so yeah, this the she right here. Gonna get some she work. Alright, so we at the lot. I gotta even out these tires. They got hella. I just gotta put them on. Like I said, I ain't brought the bike out once. I got hella air in my tires. Like a stupid amount of air. So I just gotta come to the lot, even them out. Then we probably hit the street. Let's see though. This bitch spraying gas everywhere.
What you mean?
Nigga, I filled this bitch to the brim. I wasn't paying no games. Nigga, that bitch was on the fucking ring.
And it's still spilling? I mean, like it's going low? What's up?
Nah, it ain't low.
Shit.
I don't know why I need to let air out the tires, to be honest.
Cause they look like they rounded as fuck.
They do, but this bitch don't be rocking or nothing.
It ain't about rock, it's about going to left or right.
It's not going left or right neither.
It's going straight.
I think so. You tell me what it looks like.
Yeah, I mean, it looked like it's going straight.
Huh?
That one king.
You tell me. Part?
You know where I had picked up the bitches at when we chilled over there? Where that walk path is by the river?
You want to go over there?
Yeah, why not? I don't want to sit here. I mean, it don't make a difference. I just want to ride a little bit, but we ain't gonna go too far. We just gonna get on that bike path and go downtown on the bike path and ride down by the water and come back and shit.
If you want.
I know you want to ride, but
I want to ride, but I ain't never wheelied this bitch in no other gear than first.
You supposed to be in second anyway.
I don't know when to bring it up. This is literally, look, I've literally never, I think I was first started wheeling this bitch like 2 days ago with my bitch on the back.
You wheelie it better than I wheelie the Banshee. I was scared of it.
Oh.
Because it wasn't mine, that too, but I was scared of it. I couldn't get it all the way up to get it to the bubble.
To the band?
No, to the bubble.
Oh.
To where it's comfortable where you wheeling. I couldn't get it there. I just kept gassing and doing speed wheelies on jet shit, and I was like, all right, I'm getting off. Cause I was scared of it, for real.
I mean, I ride 2-strokes though, so it's.
Yeah, you know how the band shit work. You know when it's about.
It just about threw me off right there. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you.
I heard.
I ain't scraping nothing.
The only reason I want the Banshee now because.
Oh, I did scrape.
Cause you hear the way I be tuning, I be chopping my bike, I be bah, 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 bah,
I know.
Bah, bah.
I can't wait till I'm like that. I just don't know the gears yet. I don't know how to bring it up in higher gears or nothing like that. So.
Yeah, I be chopping. Well, yeah, I was gonna say let's just go down there. I'll smoke a blunt down there, and then we come back and ride on the west side some more.
All right. Take some nice little pics. I hope y'all can see the sun is in the way. Show. I ain't got no work yet. I need to put some bigger dents in here. You know what I'm saying? Like, because when I go up, it locks. Does it do that always? I don't know, but I don't know. Tennessee right here. What you mean? Yeah. Ready? Ready?
Slow down. Yeah. I can get you more in focus. Hell yeah.
And I knew you be fucking speeding. I got some good footage. That was straight video. Man, I was Superman in that bitch in third. That shit was hard as fuck. To put my bike in the middle.
Oh, bet. Hold on, nigga, you right in front of my headshot, big dog.
Oh, my bad.
Well, he got that in your
My bad. Hold on. I'm trying to get us a lit ass picture. Hold on.
Damn, bro.
You pulled right in front of my shit. It's gonna stop in it. Nah, you good. It's gonna stop in a second.
It's at the top.
What's that coming up?
Yeah.
Oh shit. This is supposed to do that? This nigga fried.
It's supposed to have this on it.
Dead body. Oh, this shit just burnt the shit out of my arm.
Oh shit, finna get like this.
Gotcha.
Hey!
Don't hurt yourself.
That's default!
How'd it be if I was like this?
Coming down the street. Damn, that shit did.
See this video I got.
That shit came.
Well, it was lags.
Dang.
I got some lags and shit.
You like that? How's it look? Is it smooth?
What you talking about?
Oh yeah, I like that. I like that.